Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today I'll be taking the class on animal life. Okay. It will be very simple, basic things I'll be explaining about animals. Okay.
Ma'am, how do
Regard-
you write with the mouse? It's so hard.
Sorry.
How do you write with the mouse? It's so hard.
I'm not writing with mouse. I'm using a device called as pen tab. Okay. Pen tablet. Wherein I'll be connecting this pen tablet with a laptop. Okay. So it's like a pen. I have, see here. Can you see?
Yeah. Can you show me like that?
Yes.
Can you show me the tab? Pen tab.
Tab. Okay, fine. This is the tab.
Oh, I've seen it in online.
Exactly. So it's so easy. Even you can use it. Okay. You can purchase one so that it will be a interactive session wherein even you can write. I can share the same screen with you. We both can write on the same screen if
Okay.
needed. Okay. So we'll do it in coming classes if we are like taking. So today I'll be explaining you regarding animals' life. Okay. So it's about few animals and then habitats. Then I'll be explaining you what is habitat meaning. Okay. And examples of the habitats. Then I'll be telling types of animals, types of animals based on habitat. Okay. Yes, Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll be explaining you regarding the habitat, okay, and types of habitats, then types of animals based on habitat. Also, the eating habits of animals. That's it. Very simple topics, okay? Eating habits of animals, okay? Tell me, what is your favorite animal?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Is it? Why? Why is it your favorite?
But it's
Any
run fast.
reason? It's fast. Okay, you want to be fast. Then
Then I like elephants.
elephants. Okay. Then what's your favorite aquatic animal?
Aquatic?
Aquatic means the animals which live in
Oh yeah.
water.
I
Yeah.
like dolphins and uh like whales and all blue whales.
Whales, dolphins. Oh, okay. So you don't like small fishes? No.
They
Okay.
too
You
slow
have
and they're too tiny.
oh, okay, okay, fine. Okay. So Nishan's favorite animal is elephant then. Elephant and cheetah. Okay. So where do cheetah and elephant live, Ishan?
Cheetah, it lives in the jungle.
Jungle. Okay. And about elephant?
Elephant also lives in the jungle.
Okay, fine. I have seen elephants in zoo also.
Even temples.
Temples, yes, correct. At Mysore.
Yeah. Even Guruvayur in Kerala.
Yeah, heard of.
Yeah, there's like 3 to 4 elephants over there.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
puja
That's nice.
also happens with the elephant. The god will sit on top of the elephant, and the elephant will walk 3 rounds.
Oh, okay,
That's
okay,
all.
fine. So, so now that you know, elephant stays in jungle, elephant stays even in temples, and elephants are staying even in zoo, right?
Yes.
So those are the places called as habitat.
Yes.
Okay. You know what is habitat now? Habitat is a place where
Yeah,
animals.
they have habits
Sorry.
like they are used to, right? Habitat.
Habitat. Habitat means it's a home. It's a home of animals.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Habitat. I'll write a definition. Okay.
But now we are starting. We started soil and stuff. I'll show you it. I'll show you my test book.
Okay.
Wait. Here. And this we started.
Mm-hmm. What's the chapter going on?
Soil erosion and conversion. One second. I'll just change the camera.
No problem. Yeah, it's a soil erosion and
Conversion.
conservation. Conservation. It means the protection of soil. Oh, okay. Fine, no problem. We'll take it in next class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? You have read about the animal life?
What?
Have you read about animal life?
Yes, there
Yes.
is one chapter. That I think it's the first chapter.
Third chapter.
Third chapter, yeah.
Yeah, it's the third chapter.
Mom, how do
Okay.
you know?
I know because I'm your tutor.
Did my mom tell you?
No, I know.
You read my textbook?
Yes, I read your textbook.
No,
Yes.
no, you didn't.
Okay, okay, fine. Come on now. Tell me what is habitat. Just now I told you what is habitat. Tell me in a
It's
simple
like
word.
it's a place, like a home.
Home for animals. Exactly. Okay.
Is
So
it only for animals or like humans also? Or
if
some?
no, we are discussing here about animal life. Its habitat is like it can be for human beings also. It's not particularly for animals. It can be for birds. It can be for animals. We are also animals, right? Human being is the animal,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So habitat. Now the definition of habitat is it is a place where animal lives. Okay, animal lives. Feed. Feed means eat,
Yes.
right? Where the animals live, where
And
they feed and they reproduce, means they give birth to a young ones. Okay, so shall I write the definition?
ma'am,
Huh?
for like giving birth for frogs is a very long process.
Okay.
It's like so long. I have studied about it. Then from a frog, this tadpole and all.
Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it's a big cycle actually. How, the reproduction happens, how the younger ones comes to the earth, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's a big time. So it is a place. Now coming to the habitat, it is a place where animals.
Ah, my mic fell. One second.
Yeah, yeah, take it. Start it. So the animals live, feed, and reproduce. Okay. Tell me. Can
There's
you see?
train. There's train coming.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes.
Don't get distracted. Okay, tell me what is habitat definition?
It is a place where animals live, feed, and reproduce.
Very good. Okay. So habitat is very important for any animals because it is the same place where they are living and they get to eat and they give a birth to young ones. Okay. So what are the examples of habitat? Let me know.
Huh?
What are the examples of habitat? Just now we discussed about elephant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Elephant's habitat.
Elephant's habitat. Tell me.
Um, so it's in the jungle.
Yes.
It's a
Correct.
home for jungle and
Jungle. You tell jungle as forest, right?
yeah, forest.
Forest.
And
Yes.
it eats bananas, I think, or
Yes. Okay.
grass,
Okay. Okay.
and it reproduced by a mother.
Okay, fine. So it gives birth to the young ones. That's what you are telling. Baby elephant. Okay. So my question here was, what is the habitat of elephant? So the habitat of elephant is forests. Okay.
Okay.
So other habitats, example, where do the fish live?
They live in the sea.
Sea. Yeah, exactly. And then where does fish live again? Fishes?
Sea.
Sea. River.
Yeah, river, lakes,
Lakes.
ponds.
Exactly.
Mom,
Then,
Mom, I have a pond in my native.
yes, is it?
I go swimming, but now I don't because there's too much algae in it,
Mm-hmm.
and they're still cleaning it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So pond is also a habitat, right, Ishan? It's a habitat to many aquatic animals. Means a lot of animals which stays in water. Aquatic animals, they all stay in the pond as well. So forests, as I told you here, if you see forests, sea, river, lakes, ponds, all these are habitats. I can also say home, right? Like few people will have dogs, cats.
Yes.
Yes, where they will be? They will be in home, right? So
Yeah.
home is also habitat for few animals, domestic animals. Like in villages, if you see cow, buffalo, and all, they all sheep. Correct?
And
Yes, yes, Ishan, tell me.
I have an in my 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 mother's
Mm-hmm.
mother's house.
Okay. Grandmoms, great grandmother.
Yeah, my
Yes.
great grandmother's house. They used to have two cows, and
Okay.
there was a black one. And I thought that was a bull because it was so angry. He started smashing the tree.
Oh my God. Okay.
And once there there was a baby cow also,
Okay. Okay.
calf. I think.
Calf, exactly. Okay, so you know now, right? The habitat is nothing but the place where the animals live, feed, and reproduce. Examples are just I have given few examples. If you see forest, sea, river, lakes, ponds, home, also, and also you can say mountains.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mountains because lot of animals live in mountains as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So you tell me now, what do habitat give for animals? It will give food, okay? Habitats will provide food, water, and shelter. What it will give?
Food, water, and shelter.
Food, okay? Because animals need a food, right, to survive.
Yes, ma'am.
Water and shelter.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the three things which the habitat provides. Okay. So now Ishan knows why is habitat important. Tell me, habitat is important because it
Because
provides,
is it it is their home,
yes, and it provides
and
food.
it provides food and their and reproduction.
Yes, it provides food, water, and shelter. This is important, okay? Because,
Should I note this down or something?
sorry,
Should I note this down?
yeah, this is important definition. What is habitat? Habitat is a place you can note down. Yeah.
Is it compulsory to?
Is it compulsory? It is an important question. It may appear in the exam as well. Then you have to
But
answer,
we
right?
finished that chapter. It's never. We finished that chapter, so it's never gonna come again.
Oh, okay, fine then. No issues. Then you need to interact with me. Then when you know the chapter, you just have a conversation with me regarding these topics. No need to note down. Okay? Fine? Is that okay, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so habitat is the place where animals live, feed, and reproduce. Okay, habitat is important because it provides food, water, and shelter to the animals, right? So, this topic is finished about animals and habitats. Okay, now you tell me types of animals based on habitat. Ishan, you raise the hand.
Yeah, ma'am. Can I on my light? It's very dark here. Oh,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one.
on the light. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. You can continue.
One second. One second. Yeah. So now that you understood what is habitat and what is the importance, now I'll explain you regarding types of animals. Okay. Now they are dividing animals into different types based on the places where they live. Okay. Understood? Here, I'll just show you here types of animals based on their habitat. Can you read it out for me, Ishan?
Ty- Types of animals based on their habitats. Types of habitats. Terrestrial. First one, terrestrial animals. Second one, aquatic animals. Third one, amphibians. Fourth one, arboreal animals, and fifth one, aerial animals.
Okay, the fourth one is arboreal animals. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Ishan. Fine. So, can you tell me, do you know what are the terrestrial animals?
Hmm?
What are the terrestrial animals?
The terrestrial animals are like tiger, lion,
Mm-hmm.
cheetah, leopard,
Okay. Why are they called as
zebra,
terrestrial
panther.
animals? Yes, that's correct. That's correct, Ishan. What you told, the examples, no, is perfectly correct. Let me know why they are called as terrestrial animals.
Because they hunt for food.
No, that's not the definition.
Because they kill other animals to get their food.
No. Shall I tell you?
Yes.
Okay. Terrestrial animals are the animals that.
Ma'am, but my science teacher told it.
Okay, no problem. See, the thing is, you are telling what they hunt on, okay? They hunt on animals and they eat. My question was, what are the terrestrial animals? So, the
They live in
animals
land.
which lives on land.
Ma'am, I accidentally misheard your question. That's why.
Oh, okay, no issues. Fine. So, what is the terrestrial animal? Terrestrial animals are the animals that lives
They
on
live in land.
land. So, tell me the examples, Ishan, which you told just now.
Um, um, First one is cheetah, tiger, lion, leopard, jaguar, panther,
Okay.
and that's it.
Okay, that's correct. So all those animals which lives
Then
on the land.
mountain
Sorry,
lion, mountain lion.
mountain lion. Okay, fine. So all these are the terrestrial animals, right?
Yes,
So all these terrestrial animals have no, they have some specific habit, like habits, or they have some specific features, okay, which will help them to stay on the land. As we were talking about elephant just now, right? So you tell me one thing. Elephants live on the land, right?
yes, ma'am.
The reason for that is the I'll tell you the habitat. I'll tell you habitat. The elephants live in a place where it is a too much hot tropical climate, okay? But they stay in the tropical climate because they get adjusted to that environment because of its body features. For example, I'll tell you, elephant has very big ears, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very big ears.
Ma'am,
Yes,
why do they have like rough skin?
rough skin, because they will need to withstand with that hot climate, because elephants stay in tropical regions, as in the climate will be hot always, okay? So to withstand they need to survive, right? So for that reason they have a thick skin and big ears. Those big ears will help them to keep their body cold. You understood?
Yes,
So
but
yeah.
why do if they have a thick skin, then they'll be more hot? No,
No, it is to withstand that heat only. They have got that like rough and like thicker skin, so
yeah,
that
they will be still hot because they have a thick skin.
they have got the big ears, which will help for them to maintain the body temperature. You understand? So it will keep the elephants cool.
How does the ears keep cool? It's not like AC and all.
AC. Okay. No ACs. Definitely, there are no ACs in the ears. It's like God has gifted them with such big ears, which help them to keep their body cold. That's all I can, like, I can explain regarding this. Even I don't know the mechanism exactly how that ear help them to keep, the body cool. Okay. So, looks like maybe they have a bigger hole or something wherein the air enters and it keeps the body cold. So elephants have this big trunk, right? Even though its body is huge, very big, it has a very big trunk. Trunk, right? The front nose, mouth. Okay, so that big trunk, what it is useful for? Tell me, it is useful how many minutes? What is how many minutes?
How many minutes is the class?
Okay, I'll wind up soon. No problem. We'll wind up fast. Okay, don't worry. So this is the elephant features. Okay, so this is called as adaptation. Okay, you understood, because animals have got certain specific features and habits which help them to adapt to the particular environment. This
Okay.
feature is called as adaptation. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me, what are the aquatic animals? These are the terrestrial animals which you gave the example. Can you see on the screen?
Yes.
What is there? Tell me. Can you read?
There's bear, white bear. It's Why is it called white bear? It's polar bear.
Yes, it's a polar bear. Correct.
And there's leopard.
Yeah.
What is leopard?
I think it's a cousin of leopard.
Huh?
I think it's a cousin of leopard.
How? I never
Oh,
heard about leopard.
Guepard. I don't know why they have named it like that. Guepard. It's a name, okay, given. And then tiger,
Tiger, wolf, panther, puma. What's the difference of panther and puma?
panther, and puma. Where is the panther? Panther is, you can see, panther is fully black in color. Like it looks like a black cat. Okay.
Oh,
Puma. This is
puma.
puma. This is jaguar. Jaguar has a dots,
Ma'am,
whereas tiger has a stripes.
ma'am, I
Hmm?
have a puma shoe also.
Even I have a puma shoes.
And I have a puma bag too.
Okay, so you understood, right? The concept of terrestrial animals is the animals which lives on the land. Okay, so they have, as I mentioned you, specific features which will help them to adapt to the surrounding. This is called as adaptation. Is
Ma'am,
that all
no.
right?
No, even I have also big ears like elephants.
You have a big ears, is it?
Mm. Look, it's flapping.
Oh, nice, very nice. Okay, that's good. Okay, fine. So you're also cool guy then. Your body is also cool like animal.
Mhm.
Okay, coming to the next. Ishan, tell me what are aquatic animals? You have any idea?
Animals which lives in the sea are called article. No, lives in the water is called.
Water, exactly. You can tell that. Okay, so the animals which lives on water. Okay, examples.
Um, fish,
Okay,
squid, octopus,
okay,
prawns,
very nice.
lobster,
Yes,
crab,
crab. Very good, Ishan. So these are the animals, right?
kingfish. Chah,
Fish.
not kingfish.
Fish, sure, you are telling.
Seerfish.
Oh, okay, fine. So almost all the types of fish, dolphins, whales, right? All these things. So all these animals are the aquatic animals, right? Do you know what is the adaptation features in fish? Any
Mm,
idea?
they live on water. They get food by eating seagrass.
Mm-hmm.
They breathe by their gills.
Gills,
Like,
exactly. So, see, this is gills are the important features. The fishes have been gifted, or the fishes have the gills, which will help them to breathe even inside the water.
but there are some fish which don't have gills, like whales and
Yes,
dolphins. They have blowholes.
yes, they have the blowholes. They will come out on the surface of the water and they will inhale the oxygen from the atmosphere. Correct. That's very smart, Ishan. I'll give you the stars for this answer, okay?
Yay.
Yes. Okay, coming to the next. Tell me what are the amphibians?
Amphibians means like crocodile
I need the definition.
means I don't know what's
You don't
amphibian.
know the amphibians. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you, okay? Amphibians are the animals which live on both.
Yo, like frog
Yes, which live on both
and
land and
crocodile,
water.
like frog, crocodile, and crab.
Okay. See, this you saw the examples, right? Terrestrial animals. And here is an aquatic animals.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see here walrus, starfish, jellyfish.
There's two types of squids.
Yes.
And there's one in the like the yellow squid and there's a pink squid.
Yes, yes. And then you can see the jellyfish, octopus.
But
Okay.
why is there two squids and that why is there not octopus? Octopus doesn't
Octopus is here.
that doesn't look like octopus, but
That looks like
that
octopus.
looks like a jellyfish.
Jellyfish is here.
They look so similar.
Similar, exactly. See the color difference. Like these colors are not natural one, okay? These are like, printed, like, textbook printed one. So not that natural, okay? So now you know the aquatic animals. I was explaining you about amphibians, right?
Ma'am, I don't like them. Ugh.
You don't like them, even I don't like them. Trust me, I don't like reptiles. I mean, like these amphibians,
I, I don't like frogs. They look so like watery. They're
watery. Okay. Okay,
so
fine.
gooey around their body.
Hmm. You know to make a frog with paper?
Yeah, my friend in school, his name is Ojas, so he taught me.
Okay, 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 fine. So the amphibians are the animals which live on both land and water. You can see here, right? This is a frog, and this is a frog, like tadpole type, and this is salamander. My God. And what are these? Okay, so all these are amphibians. Okay. Next, coming to the question, what are arboreal animals? Tell me. You have any idea?
Arboreal animals are the animals which live in the
Which live in
what was it? Forest.
Tell me what is this?
Live in forest.
No, which lives
Trees.
on trees. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Arboreal animals are the animals which live on trees. Example,
Example: squirrel. And this. Have you ever seen those lizards which live?
flying lizards.
Yeah. And then spiders. They crawl on trees.
Spiders. Okay. I'll tell
Yeah.
you easiest example.
What?
Monkeys.
Oh,
Correct. So monkeys live on the trees. Okay. Then you can tell
ma'am,
sloths.
does chimpanzee also live on trees?
Chimpanzee, what I have seen is always sitting down, the bigger one. It will be sitting down under the tree. That's what I have seen. Under the tree, on
Yeah,
the
because they'll be too heavy to be on the tree. The tree will only fall.
exactly. So these are the animals. Arboreal animals are the animals which live on the tree. Okay. So
Ma'am,
examples are monkey, squirrel,
ma'am,
and sloth. You
can
have
I
seen
go
that sloth, it will be
slow?
always sleeping.
Yes,
Koala.
so it's so slow also. Ma'am, can I go close the door and come?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm back.
Yes. Ishan, what do you see on the screen?
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Yes. What do you know about squirrel?
We named a squirrel in our school's tree Bade Bhai and Chote Bhai.
Is
There
it?
are two squirrels. One is small and one is
Okay.
big.
Okay.
The big one is named Bade Bhai
Bade bhai?
and a small one's name is Chote Bhai.
Very nice. So the still Bade bhai and Chote bhai are in school?
Yeah,
Yes, you watch them
they
daily?
meet, they meet us every time.
Hmm, that's
Once
so
I
nice.
gave them once I gave them chapati, but they couldn't get it. They were
Oh.
scared. And when we left the class, then when it was dispersal, then I came the other day.
Mm-hmm.
I I sat in the same place where I gave the chapati. It was gone.
Oh,
They
okay, okay.
came and
So
eat it.
you have seen squirrels in trees, right?
Yes, a lot.
Exactly. Yes, that's what. It's a arboreal animal.
They also come in my apartment also.
Is it? But their habitat is trees, they stay on the trees. Okay. So that's why it is called as an arboreal example for an arboreal animal. Okay. Squirrels, monkeys, koala, sloth. Okay. Next, the coming to last one. Tell me what are the aerial animals?